Hello, how's it going? This is a very quick video that I'm going to be deleting in like 24 hours, just to let you know, tomorrow and on Sunday, so Saturday the 4th and Sunday the 5th of January, I am hosting a completely free online workshop called Productivity Spark. And across the 2 days, this is a series of live interactive workshops where I'm going to be hosting them along with my wife Izzy and some friends, including Cal Newport and neuroscientist TJ Power and author and investor Sahil Bloom, who you might know. We're going to be hosting these live interactive workshops on Zoom where we're going to take you through a bunch of our favorite journaling and reflection prompts to help you reflect on 2024 and then figure out where your life and work and stuff is going to get clarity on your vision, and then set goals and quarterly quests for 2025. I ran a similar event last year. There were loads of comments from people saying that they got enormous value out of it. We had people who were in tears when they were doing the reflection activities during the workshop. Last year it was like 3 hours long, but that didn't feel like enough time to kind of get through everything, and people kept on asking for more time, and so we've turned it into like a 2-day event. That's like 2 to 6 p.m. UK time on the Saturday and also on the Sunday. It's completely free to register. There is a link down below if you want to check it out. And if you are interested, then I hope to potentially see you on Saturday the 4th of January. Happy New Year and goodbye.